In this quick tutorial, we will see how to load and display an image from its ID in Google Earth Engine. So let's do it. First, let's make a variable named img, and we need to use ee.Image function, and here we need to pass the ID of the image. If we can remember the ID, we can type it here. This is the ID of SRTM DEM. If you cannot remember this, you can just search here SRTM, and the first one is SRTM Digital Elevation Data version 4. Click on this and you will get the ID of the image. You can copy the snippet from here and directly paste here. Now we can add the image to our map using Map.addLayer. And the visualization parameter should be minimum is 0 and maximum is 3000, and let's write a name for this, SRTM. Now let's run the code. Our digital elevation model image is loaded. We can zoom in and see.